Where's Swiper?
Silly. Put it away. Where does it go? Where does your little chair go? Slide it, silly. There you go. Good girl. That's where the chair goes. The tablecloth gets folded up. Uh-huh. That's like that. Good job. Uh-huh.
Where did it go?
Uncle Jerry folds it up and puts it under the bed.
Hold up the tablecloth.
Let's fold the tablecloth first. Good job. Thank you.
Here, give it to me.
Go.
Uncle Jerry, can you help her with that?
Yeah.
Are you growing? Are you growing?